What's the biggest one today, brother?
Or what?
Power?
Yeah, okay.
Oh. Oh. Hello, welcome. Hello, welcome. I like that thing. كيفك صديق؟ شنو هذا؟ شنو هذا صديق؟ أنا ما في فلوس. شربوطة أنا.
You know the basics, huh?
أيوة. شوية شوية.
I got my friend. Friend of me?
Ang swerte. Yup. Wala. Walang swerte. Meron pa ba? Hello, welcome. Hello, Sadik. Kepalik, Sadik. Kamusta, Sadik? Sana. Kamusta, Sadik? Alright, bala. Sida. I'm next. So, ito yung mga tayaan ng Lotto. Tayin natin sila matapos. Mataas ang ano ngayon. Ang Lotto. It is 565 million. Uy. Sana swerte. Syempre may balato ka, Kyle. Panalangin mo na may swerte tayo. So malaki ang ano ngayon eh. Malaki ang power. Tayin natin. Mga glass shot ko. Tayin natin. So dito ako kasi meron na akong taya eh. Yan yung taya ko. Karedy na yan. So ito yung napanalunan ko rin. So yan yung pinaiikot natin yan. At least every sa isang buwan, mga 2 times sa sweldo lang tayo tumataya. So power, yan o, power, super, mega. Tayo natin. Tayo sa likod. Hello, welcome. Ayoko na mga may kulay. Hello, welcome. Hello, welcome. Excuse me. I like your pants, bro. Where you get it? I like it. Yeah, the design. Is it a Cambodian?
Yeah, Cambodian.
Oh yeah, it's nice. It's cool. Did you buy it? You get it? Where did you get it? Where did you buy it? Here?
No.
Cambodia?
Cambodia.
Oh, no, okay. So I need to go to Cambodia. Yeah, they're cool. Alright, bro. Take care. Alright, it's our turn.
Yes, sir.
Talata Mia Kamsin.
Oh, what's that?
No. Hindi. Oh.
Oh, okay, for the winner.
Kamsin.
Yeah.
Where's Russell? No Russell right now?
Russell, yeah, he just comes by here and there.
Yeah.
14.
14? And 14 give me one more fantasy, please.
Just one?
Oh, yeah, one. And one more power. And one more super. One mega. And how much?
The mega 23.
23. So, and 23, and 2 more fantasy and 5 fantasy. 2 and 5.
2 and
And-
5 fantasy.
Yeah.
30.
There you go. Okay. My math is working.
Yeah, exactly. You got it right.
Tamam.
Exactly. Nice and bright.
Yes, sir. I hope I get this one. Carlos, right, bro?
I'm waiting.
This one. I need this one, Carlos. Sino yung Smacksadik?
Alex.
Alex. Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
Say hi to our brother Russell.
Okay, if I see him, I'll let him know. What's your name?
Roy.
Roy.
Yeah.
I'll let him know, Roy.
I'm regular here, bro.
Okay.
Alright, bro.
Take care, man.
Take care. So, yun, malaki-laki. Let's go, gym tayo.